pressure? For
Huh?
that? You know how you talk about your blood always high?
Yeah, my blood is
Mine.
200. How is your blood? How much is your blood?
I take pills for. I take 1 pill a day for it. Because if I don't take it, it's usually it can go 200.
Oh, you have blood 200 before?
Oh yeah.
And
I've had high blood pressure. I've had high blood pressure. Oh my God, like since I was 30 years old. It's weird. I get it from my mom.
your high
She
blood,
does too.
your high blood is very high. Your high blood is attacking you.
Yeah.
You forget the word. The world when the high blood attack you. You feel in the floor.
No,